Good morning, students. This video is for class LKG and subject English. Students, you can see today I am going to teach you vowel sound U. Vowel sound U. Clear? So, let's start. You can see at first UB words. Okay, we will join UB in this letters. Clear? CUB curve. You can see here CUB curve. This is the picture of a curve. Clear? Next, TUB tub. TUB tub. Clear? Now the others words are, you can see DUB dub, SUB hub, SUB sub, RUB rub. Clear? Next, you can see UG words. Okay, here we will join UG words in this given letter. Clear? So, BUG bug. You can see the picture of a bug. RUG rug. This is a rug. Clear? Then TUG tug, PUG pug, MUG mug, and DUG dug. Next, UN words. You can see here UN words. And UN none. And UN none. Clear? SUN sun. SUN sun. You can see this is the sun. Clear? And burn, fun, BUN burn, FUN fun, GUN gun, STUN stun. Clear? So students, now you will have to change or turn the page. Clear? So we are now in page number 43. Turn the page. Clear? So students, in page number 44, you can see the others words are given. At first you can see here UP words. Clear? UP words. CUP cup. CUP cup. This is the picture of a cup. PUP pup. Clear? PUP pup. You can see here. Others words are UP up, SUP sup, SUP hub. Clear? Then next UM words. UM words. GUM gum. GUM gum. Clear? SUM sum. SUM sum. You can see here there is a sum 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Clear? Then MUM mum, HUM hum, DRUM drum. Clear? And next UT words. UT. CUT cut. CUT cut. HUT hut. HUT hut. Okay, you can see here. Now BUT but, NUT nut, SHUT shut. Clear? So students, now your work is you will have to read the chapter properly. Okay, you will have to practice to read the chapter and you will have to write and learn at least 2 words from each words. Clear? That's it. Thank you.